Salut, comment ça va? Welcome back to my channel Say Process. In today's video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the different rooms in a house. Les pièces dans une maison. This video is the first part of the vocabulary building series. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be kept updated about the future videos from this series. Let's begin. Un salon, which means a living room. Une cuisine, a kitchen. Une chambre, bedroom. Une salle à manger, dining room. Une salle de bain, bathroom. Une toilette, which is a toilet. Des escaliers, staircase. Un bureau, a study. Un grenier, an attic. Une terrasse, a terrace. Un couloir, a corridor. Un sous-sol, which is a basement. Un balcon, balcony. Un garage, garage. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was useful for you, hit the like button. Next video of this series is going to be even more interesting as you will be learning a lot of new French words. Keep learning, keep practicing. Au revoir. Bye.